Luxury sedans are often seen as the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. But not all luxury sedans are created equal. In fact, some models fall short of expectations, leaving buyers with regret. Today, we're counting down the top 5 worst luxury sedans to avoid in 2025. Whether you're in the market for a new car or just curious, this list will help you steer clear of disappointing choices. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chrysler 300C. The Chrysler 300C, once a symbol of American luxury, has failed to keep up with modern standards. Priced at around $50,000, it offers a bold exterior with a retro-inspired design, but the lack of innovation is glaring. The interior feels outdated, with cheap materials and a clunky infotainment system. Performance-wise, the 300C's V6 engine delivers just 292 horsepower, which is underwhelming for its class. While it has a smooth ride, the overall package feels stale compared to competitors. If you're looking for a true luxury experience, the 300C is not the way to go. Number 2. Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse, priced at approximately $40,000, struggles to justify its place in the luxury sedan market. Its exterior design is bland and uninspiring, failing to stand out in a crowded segment. Inside, the cabin is spacious, but lacks the premium feel expected at this price point. The materials are subpar, and the tech features feel outdated. Performance is another letdown, with a base engine producing only 228 horsepower. The LaCrosse's soft suspension prioritizes comfort over handling, making it feel sluggish on the road. For a luxury sedan, it simply doesn't deliver. Number 3. Lexus ES. The Lexus ES, starting at around $42,000, is often praised for its reliability, but it falls short in several key areas. The exterior design is conservative and lacks the boldness of its rivals. Inside, the cabin is comfortable, but feels more like a premium car than a true luxury sedan. The infotainment system is frustrating to use, with a dated interface. Performance is underwhelming, with a base 4-cylinder engine offering just 203 horsepower. While the ride is smooth, the ES lacks the driving dynamics and excitement expected in this segment. It's a safe choice, but not a standout. Number 4. Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli, priced at over $80,000, is a prime example of style over substance. Its exterior is undeniably stunning, with Italian flair and aggressive lines. However, the interior doesn't live up to the price tag, with questionable build quality and cramped rear seats. Performance is a mixed bag. While the base V6 engine delivers 300 horsepower, the handling feels heavy and unrefined. The Ghibli also suffers from poor reliability and high maintenance costs. For a car in this price range, the lack of polish is hard to overlook. It's a luxury sedan that promises more than it delivers. Number 5. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF, starting at around $50,000, has a sleek exterior that exudes sophistication. However, its interior is a letdown, with cramped rear seats and a confusing infotainment system. The materials are decent, but not up to par with competitors. Performance-wise, the base engine offers 246 horsepower, which is adequate but not impressive. The XF's handling is sporty, but the ride quality is stiff, sacrificing comfort for agility. Additionally, Jaguar's reputation for reliability issues is a concern. While the XF has its charms, it's not the best choice in the luxury sedan market. And there you have it, the top 5 worst luxury sedans to avoid in 2025. While these cars may have their moments, they fall short in key areas like performance, interior quality, and overall value. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan, it's worth considering alternatives that offer a better balance of style, comfort, and driving dynamics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and choose wisely.